Take a look. You see all the carbon that's in the chemical. See the brown?
Oh yeah.
That's all that's coming from inside your intake area.
Okay.
On the other side of the throttle body.
Right.
Too.
Oh
so
yeah.
Now we're gonna go in here. We're gonna wipe. We're gonna wipe every area down. See that?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, and then we're also gonna wipe on the inside. As you can see,
yeah,
it's all that stuff coming out. See what he's doing to the gloves?
Yes. Yep.
There's fins that are like inside there, like lines. They're basically like fins, and they help channel how the airflow goes through the throttle body.
Okay.
If you look on one side of them, you'll actually see they'll actually be clean. If I lift this up, you can see inside there. See the fins?
Oh yeah.
Point now. Just gotta fire it up. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our hose back on. Top of the throttle.
Oh, let me, Mark, could I take a look at that? Because it looks clean. Can you pull it out one more time?
Sure.
I want to get a close up.
Alright.
Oh,
see
yeah.
the difference?
Yeah.
So we got a little bit of the chemical coming out.
Yeah, it just comes, yeah, that, like you say. Oh, it's clean, yeah.
See that?
Wow. Okay.
So now the air can flow through better.
That's right.
Now this is how it's going to sound. It's going to sound like a piece of junk when we crank it up.
Okay.
You see smoke coming out of the rear end.
Yes, that's right.
That's all that chemical being burnt off.
Right. All right.
You just cleaned out your throttle body. It's running a little bit smoother too.
Okay. Yeah, it sounds now, yeah. Like you said, it did sound like a piece of junk when you first started, didn't it?
It actually doesn't want to crank because it's
right
over flooding the spark plugs with the chemical.
Okay.
Smell that? Smell that?
Yes.
Burning it all off. That's it.
All right.